Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix incorrect API key provided. If you notice on my screen in Visual Studio Code, the Python file name example.py, when I execute, I got this an error, incorrect API key provided. But if you check my .env file, I have already created the activate, the API key. This is my original API key. But when you check, the last 4 digits of the API key is Q2SA. But here I have different letters. Let's save this file again. Alt F, save. Again I will run this program. See, it's showing Q2SA, which is a different, the old API key it's generating instead of adding this new API key. Now to fix this, in Python file, notice that the load underscore .env file function, we are forcing to load the connection strings or API keys from the .env file, but still it's reading the old API key. To fix this, in this function, there is a property called override is equals to true. T is capital, true. That's it. Now let's save this file. Save. We'll check the final output, whether we get the error or it will execute properly. See here, the Python example successfully inserted our 4 records. So this video tutorial, I want to show how to fix this incorrect API key provided. When it's loading the old API key, how to override with a new API key. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.